PiPER, the revolutionary robotic arm by AgileX Robotics that redefines the boundaries of what's possible. Engineered with a compact and high-performance design, PiPER combines power and agility in a lightweight package. With an impressive 62.6 centimeter reach and exceptional flexibility, PiPER 6 integrated joint motors ensure robust reliability and smooth operation. Despite weighing just 4.2 kilograms, it effortlessly handles a 1.5 kilogram payload, making it both powerful and efficient. PiPER's rapid response time and precision execution strike the perfect balance between speed and reliability, making it ideal for a wide range of demanding applications. Whether in a lab, classroom, or commercial setting, PiPER adapts seamlessly to various environments. Designed with user-friendliness in mind, PiPER features an intuitive interface and an open platform that fosters innovation. Whether you're an experienced professional or a beginner, PiPER empowers you to bring your ideas to life with ease. Lighter, faster, and brimming with potential. Experience the future of robotics with PiPER by AgileX Robotics.
玩机器人，找标机器人就对了。